Hi everyone, I am Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 8 update with Nicole. How's it going, Nicole?
Yeah, it's great.
In a good way or a bad way?
Yeah, it was just an interesting week. Just kind of not myself.
Okay. Do you think you're still on track or you still can hit your goal for week 10 or at least close?
I
to
think
your
I'll
goal?
be close.
Close?
I think I'll be close. Yes.
Yeah, so because it's unrealistic every single week you will have to lose weight, right?
Right.
Sometimes you go outside, you socialize with our friends, right?
Yes.
But what is the good news, or why you have confidence that you can get back on close to your goal at least?
Because I've already experienced what it's like to be able to lose the weight,
Yes.
and it doesn't feel impossible to do that.
That's
It
right.
just get right back to it and get back on track and smarten up.
That's right. That's right.
You're gonna have down times.
That's why you are not like focusing like only on losing weight. You are focusing more on learning. So, are you learning some other new stuff so far?
Oh yes, lots of new things
Yeah.
for sure.
Okay, so let's wait and see next week,
Yes.
and hopefully we have some good news.
Yes.
Okay, thank
I'll
you.
do my best.
Thank you.